Hello, Mark from Panel Perfect again. Today we've got a BMW M2 that has unfortunately been kicked by some football hooligan. The bulk of the dent has already been removed by a good Samaritan with a plunger. The customer brought it in to us to have what's left sorted out. So I'll show you what's there and maybe a bit in between, and we'll see you at the end. Speak to you in a bit. So here's the M2. I've already taken the light out so you can see the issue. This dent was originally about the size of a football, maybe, ironically, so it was a good sized dent. Set that light back a bit, you can see what's going on. So a little bit to contend with. We have some damage through over the arch, obviously the big one at the top, some crowning through here, the crowning goes a little way back, and then some other smaller sort of wobbles and shimmers. You can actually almost see the outline of the chap's foot there and there. So yeah, he's done a proper job on it. Luckily he wasn't Jackie Chan, so it's not something that can't be fixed. But we shall report back. Okay, so here's the end results of the M2. As you saw earlier, there was quite a bit going on in this general area. Did a few hours work into that, just trying to work out all the wobbles and shimmers and things. Looking as good as new again, just like it never happened.